Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing and review of Erin Condren's 2020 Life Planner. In total, I paid about $100 plus shipping for all the stuff because I live in Canada. It's a bit on the pricey side when it comes to planners, but I think the quality and the designs are worth the price. When you open the box, it comes with a small package that includes 3 paper bookmarks, which are quite pretty, 2 huge gift wrapping stickers, I think, and also a 20% off discount code for your next purchase, which I took out already for this video. Now I'm going to flip through the planner to show you guys what it looks like inside. This is a dry erase page that you can use, and then we have this transparent opaque cover sheet. Next we have 2 opening pages with the layers design and 2 quotes, which I find really inspirational. And then following that is a mini calendar overview, which runs from July 2020 to December 2021. Next, we have 2 pages of colored boxes, which I think is meant to be a goals tracker for the year. Now brings us to the opening of the actual planner. So each month has a different color theme, and for the month of July, it's this beautiful dark blue. Following this is a monthly overview page, which I normally use to track my periods, work hours, or important events. And next brings us to something that is new to the 2020 Life Planner, which is this page with 4 different boxes. This is something that the 2019 Life Planner didn't have. I think this new feature will be quite useful because for my old 2019 planner, I often found myself running out of space on the previous monthly overview page because I do add a lot of pictures and stickers to my planners. So hopefully this newly added page will give me more space. Now I'm just gonna flip through the first few pages of each month to give you guys an idea of how this planner is laid out and the different colors that comes with each month. Towards the end of the planner, there's a couple of blank pages, a page for contacts, and also an overview of the year 2022, which is not included in this planner because this one ends in December 2021. And then we have 4 pages of stickers. At the very end of the planner, there's a mini pocket and pink notebook, which I think is supposed to be an extra monthly mini planner or to-do list. And at the very back, there's another dry erase page that I can use. I also got a sticker book to go along with my planner. This one has 529 stickers and retails for $15. The reasons I chose this one is because of the layers design, which matches with my planner. Now I'm just gonna do a quick flip through to show you guys what's inside. Overall, I'm quite happy with this purchase. I love planning, journaling, collecting stickers, and this planner is a perfect tool for me to gather and put all my ideas in one place. In comparison to last year's planner, there's a couple of small changes. To the right is my old 2019 Life Planner. I got it in this really cute baby blue flamingo design. When you open it up, it starts with a dry erase cover. Next to it was a snap-on plastic holder that this year's planner didn't come with. I usually use this holder to store leftover clip arts and stickers, so I'm planning on reusing it again this year. And the rest is pretty much the same as last year's. For last year's planner, the overall color tone is brighter and more vibrant, whereas this year's is more soft and toned down. I generally try and design a new spread using clip bars, washi tapes, and stickers for each week, and I'm planning on doing it again this year, and here are some of the spreads that I did last year. At the back, there's a couple blank pages, 3 fill-in-the-color pages, and also 4 pages of add-on stickers. At the very back, there's also a mini paper pocket and an additional dry erase page. After I finished the entire planner, it did get quite thick and heavy. Here's in comparison to the new one. Now this doesn't really bother me because I usually keep my planners at home and doesn't bring it out at all. I'm really excited to start planning and designing my spreads for this year's Life Planner, and I'll be uploading my weekly spread ideas on this YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time.